You're witnessing week 10 of the Ghana Premier League. And Eugene, I think say week 10 no maka, and I'll keep saying say for you to at least take a league in retrospect, a drew week 10 you'll be able to determine all factors a season into week 10 ya boy we say Timwa untimi emputu up good performances points in region. You should start thinking otherwise. But I think that over the weekend we had Mediema say ultimi afro and I say all occupy the top spot where the second time season Mediema occupy the top spot. But you can catch us this is the Ghana Premier League. I think after every 3 weeks, there is a new team on the top of the league table. So I think over the weekend, Mediema Etimi for the top of the Ghana Premier League table. Eugene, the only say Ope clubs are more Etimi Anya number of wins our Ghana Premier League now. You can make mention of Mediema, you can make mention of Heart of Lions, Adriana Stars, BBN Gold Stars. Eugene, all these clubs, they've been able to win 6 matches ever season nim. Yan Kanyan is say Yedika say Obia but 10 matches apart from Kotokwa or some outstanding games be our be clear now with me joining food with other clubs. Eugene, I think say on the day game of course so was Swedruno. It's a game where many people expected this results because House of Folk are resilient away. Swedru All Blacks and so a match determined say obetimi ateki up the mantle say obe survive our Ghana Premier League based on this game. I personally predicted I personally saw say this might be Swedru game obetimi a win, but unfortunately I think say per reporter Ebano both clubs the opportunities came their way and they were not able to fire up for the goals. Obekaya last Saturday, me preview game no, me mahu goal scorers for Swedru Ewufie, and I me mahu the possible goal scorers for House of Folk away, and it came to a conclusion say the player to have recorded much number of goals for House of Folk away no happens to be Hamza Issah. So na bibi actually says player B at House of Folk ebetimi a goal definitely never Hamza Issah. But Eugene, opportunity Hamza Issah say no, it is totally not the standard of a player or Ginem as a leading marksman at the House of Folk. Hamza Issah is going into the 3rd season. Apart from the first season to be recorded double figure numbers in region. Subsequently, a Todam Poa to record 6 goals in a season. I had the man. This season, I can say was 2 goals. So I think say on Shana on Kikanaho as a leading marksman because this is a club. What Wamayahunu, Ismail Ado, Wamayahunu, Prince Tego. Wamiyahunu players be say Di Maria mo. Wamiyahunu players be to say a free Bania mo. It is when you have the opportunity now who lead the House of Folk lines now. Hamza Issah, please set up. Suppose in Senka with me utilize that opportunity a be follow on Osaida. Meno Kaseika, it would have been a different story. So I think say House of Folk, they should make sure say that potency up front, they should have a way to solve it. It's either they will speak to Hamza Issah or they would have to make someone challenge him as the leading marksman for the team because the numbers can't keep declining as a leading marksman for Accra House of Folk.
Coach's name
I think Obaye, he has served about 3 coaches, but always the numbers is not much improving. But Enra coach Karimzi to Kasembi or post match or say as a player So one man who kwanya. No matter the effort coaching will put in place, it will not materialize. So I think say Hamza Issah also has a self work to do. Also no aye ne muaduma and sana other coaches at the more effort about on board because you hear Black Galaxy there is no Hamza Issah, but no one will argue for him. You never what I say, and there is no way.
First batch. Okay, listener by now.
First batch.
Bismarck, I'm listening.
Yes. There's going to be about 4 batches.
I'm first batch.
First batch.
And they won't even decide.
Okay.
They let me grab so much was a first batch, but not a final one. So I
but you
there are some players.
Final one. Then full forever.
Sana wadwin yo.
Full forever.
Sana wadwin yo.
Sana forever.
Sana wadwin yo.
Number one. Then why would they write first batch? No, but also there has been. Usually to know you.
Sure, I know, but send a coach be as a coach be answer the open.
Well.
Okay. The way by last year by. I think mostly players are more money so any no.
But the entire say Kafro, the entire say back for because on any day at least in has to goalkeeper account. But me free say or call national assignment in it, no. So, today they be obeba no next.
Squad na by Prince Owusu away. Or
national assignment.
Calvin Nkrumah away.
Or national.
Omunyina di.
Ba kwa me back for forever.
Attakorah kan wasem.
Eugene Medasi. Enra yetimi enya I don't know rivalry enya di manu Kotoko Aduana Stars.
A normal football team, football game.
Normal.
Who is there see any demon? I don't see that way.
Okay. I think say the hyper he says surrounding these games, you know. Eugene, Aduana Stars it's me benya 1-1 draw. And the last time on which we benya 1-1 draw was I think 2022. Wabra omu play a bit say Bright Ajay. Ebenya goal wabra na Frank Etuga Mbella Amakotoko 39 minutes goal and Bright Ajay ebeteka na ye on the 8th of August May 2022 na ye week 28 and Aduana Stars ebebo 1-1 draw. I think say if you hono omuntimi enya that 1-1 draw when playing against Kotoko. So I think say on any day they deserve to be praised. Oh my idea, Eugene. The last 2 games are my boni no. Na omuntimi fa ball and Kotoko atinem e Kotoko fufi. But I think say oh my idea. But on the game itself, a game Kotoko approach in Eugene. Na enye the best. The players involved, the players are almost starting a game, you know. And then the approach of the game by the Kotoko technical team, Eugene.
I think the coach admitted say the players are injured when the company does.
Okay. Na kampese ka meka say Kotoko ni bia na say fans are who say the approach and I say kwanya Kotoko set up na lack that creativity bite in Eugene. It's all because Kotoko ekra a huge list of players are injured. Aside that, almost our.
But the coach confirmed, sir. On who's a currency to on fan in some museum. Was it genuine better players? He said it.
And Eugene, what you buy there? Mamma French, me exclusive. Aye. A player from Kwara United will join Kotoko in the transfer season.
Of course, even if we were to be fit, there's a position we lack. We definitely go in. Not 1 position, 2 positions. But I won't tell you now. Tomorrow it will come in there. Yes, definitely we'll go for some adjustment, to beef up the team. Of course, even if we were to be fit, there's a position we lack. We definitely go in. Not 1 position, 2 positions. But I won't tell you now. Tomorrow it will come in there. Yes, definitely we'll go for some adjustment, to beef up the team.
Okay. Until I know a coach